Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy things on OfferUp to resell. So the one tip I can give you is to narrow down and niche down what target product do you plan on reselling. So what I mean by this is that I used to resell camera lenses, like these lenses that you see over here, and it was very lucrative for me, but what it required for me to do is to actually be familiar with what the market prices for lenses were going for. I think it took about maybe like 1 to 2 months in college to actually analyze the prices of lenses, see which ones sold, see which ones didn't sell. What I would do is I would actually message these sellers of camera lenses, and then I would be notified when the product sold. So that would kind of indicate to me what price these lenses were going for. So stick to a certain niche, whether it's shoes, mattresses, camera lenses. Stick to a niche first and analyze the market, okay? Analyze what sells, analyze what's been on OfferUp for 1, 2, 3 weeks. You're gonna have a better idea of when you make your first flip and have a better chance of actually reselling. Reselling on OfferUp, it's totally doable, but it all starts with sticking to a niche and not basically spreading yourself too thin. Like, don't start by trying to resell camera equipment, lenses, mattresses, gaming equipment. Don't start by trying to resell those, but rather start with just trying to resell one singular niche of a product and familiarize yourself with it so you have better chances of reselling it once you actually buy it and then plan to resell it. In order how to buy things on OfferUp to resell, it always starts with the market analysis, being aware of what's selling around your community or basically locally. But with that being said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.